us discuss about the temperature and scales of temperature. Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a substance. When a body is hot, its temperature is more. When a body is cold, its temperature is less. Likewise, if we take the example of sun, the temperature of core of sun or sun's core is 10 raised power 7 Kelvin, and surface temperature of sun is 6000 Kelvin. So temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a substance. The temperature is measured by an instrument called as thermometer. We also use NTP and STP. NTP and STP are normal conditions of temperature and pressure, and standard conditions of temperature and pressure. They are almost the same with the minor difference, but we will take them the same. Here, the temperature in both is 0 degrees Celsius and the pressure is 1 atmosphere. Temperature is one of the 7 basic physical quantities. Discussing about the scales of temperature, we have got 4 scales of temperature: Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, Kelvin scale, and the Reaumur scale. The basis of the scales are 2 points. One is melting point or freezing point of water, and another is boiling point of water. These are 2 bases, and then these scales have got different divisions. Now let us take the example of Celsius scale. In Celsius scale, the base point is melting point or freezing point of water, and the top point is boiling point of water. In case of Celsius scale, the melting point is 0 degrees Celsius and the boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. When we take Fahrenheit scale, the melting point is given by 32 Fahrenheit and the boiling point is given by 212 Fahrenheit. When we take the example of Kelvin scale, the melting point is given by 273.15 Kelvin, or it is taken as 273 Kelvin, and boiling point is given by 373.15 Kelvin, and that is taken as 373 Kelvin. When we take Reaumur scale, the melting point or the freezing point is taken as 0 Reaumur and the boiling point is taken as 80 Reaumur. Talking about the divisions, in the Celsius scale we have got 100 divisions, and in case of Fahrenheit scale we have got 180 divisions. In case of Kelvin scale we have got 100 divisions, and in case of Reaumur scale we have got 80 divisions. We can also convert the values in different scales, that is got by this equation. We firstly take the Celsius scale minus melting point of water divided by number of divisions equal to Fahrenheit scale minus melting point, that is 32, divided by number of divisions, that is 180 degrees, is equal to Kelvin scale minus melting point or freezing point, that is 273, divided by number of divisions, that is 100, and Reaumur scale minus melting point, that is 0, divided by number of divisions, that is 80. This equation enables us to convert the value of temperature in one scale to the value of temperature in another scale. Let us repeat. Here we have got Celsius scale minus melting point divided by number of divisions, Fahrenheit scale minus melting point, that is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, divided by number of divisions, Kelvin minus freezing point divided by number of divisions, Reaumur minus melting point divided by number of divisions. The melting point and the boiling point both are of water. Thank you.